John Kavakis here with another edition of My Take. Today we're taking a look at Sergio Goldvarg's 1963 Buick Wildcat. This is a really stunning model and I'm eager to show it to you. Let's get it out and take a look at it. Let's talk about the Buick Wildcat for just a minute. The Wildcat nameplate had been floating around Buick for quite some time. There was a series of concepts and show cars starting in 1951 with what they called the Wildcat 1. Now that was a Harley Earl design, fiberglass body, looks to be built on a Corvette chassis. So a little bit of preview of what was coming on. It was okay, not a bad looking car, but in 1954 we saw the Wildcat 2, a stunning design by Ned Nichols, who worked under Harley Earl as well. Now this was another fiberglass body built on a Corvette platform, and it seems like at that time all the GM divisions toyed with the idea of their own version of the Corvette. Everybody had one that was built with that same looking cowl in the windshield. In 1955 the Wildcat 3 was developed using the same formula coming out of Earl's design group. It used the Corvette platform, a big engine, and sporty looks, but although this version was a bit more conservative, it was actually a preview of the new design for full-size Buicks that debuted in 1957. Now, we didn't see the Wildcat nameplate pop up again until 1962, where it was introduced first as a sub-series of the Invicta. That year, it was available only as a two-door hardtop. Buick used an old and successful formula in building the Wildcat, going all the way back to the original Buick Century for 1936. Buick had been placing the powerful engines from their largest cars into their mid-sized bodies and producing an elegant and fast gentleman's express type of a car. Wildcat became a separate nameplate in 1963. Buick added a four-door hardtop and a convertible to the lineup. All of them sported distinctive styling and luxurious interiors. Goldvarg has just released a two-door version of the 63 Wildcat. This one complements their incredible 1964 model. I'll give you a link to that one, and is just as stunning and detailed. It's available in two color schemes: red with a black roof and white interior, and twilight aqua with a white roof and a blue interior. We've got both of them here. We're going to get them on the turntable and give you a close look at them. Here we have both cars, and you can see the colors are just spot on. Goldvarg does a great job with their factory colors. But it's not just that, it's the little details. You take a look at the fidelity of the car from the side view. All the lines are correct. The wheels are beautiful. You can move from that, and you take a look at the interior. The way the dashboard is picked out, the gauges are legible, the steering wheel is correct, the door panels are complete, the seats look realistic, just really well done interiors, and they've been improving, and they were good to begin with. But you take a look at this front profile. Now this is where the details really come out. This is just well detailed with the Buick badge in the front, the tricolor shields. The lensing, the chrome is perfect, the dimension to the grille. It's really well done with the little details that help make this model pop. The same thing's true of the back. Under this level of magnification, flaws would show up, but this is correct right down to the exhaust. You can almost see the exhaust coming out of it and hear the V8 burbling. Take a look at the profile again. Special note of the wheels. The wheels are just beautiful. The lines on the roof where GM tried to replicate the look of a convertible, really well captured. It's just a beautiful model and nothing short of what we would expect from Goldvarg. Take a look at the details one more time. Side marker lights, again the wheels, the trim is just the colors on the trim, that side spear, just perfectly captured. You know, they're $99. Again, Goldvarg's holding the price. We got to give them thanks for that. Here's a closer look at the interior, lit up a little bit for the detail. So it's a really great buy, really fantastic value. These sell out quickly. I'll give you some information on how you can find one. So that's Goldvarg's 1963 Buick Wildcat. As you can see, it's a beautiful model. If you want one, you need to get a hold of your dealer right away. Contact Sergio. I'll give you the contact information if you want to get in touch with him personally. But you need to move on these things quickly because they go fast. Hey, thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate you spending some time with me. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, a like in the bottom right-hand corner there. Of course, we'd love to have you sign up as a subscriber. We got a lot more videos and a whole bunch of shorts coming as well, so watch out for the shorts and the reels. I'm enjoying making them too. Hey, thanks for tuning in.